Solidarity Forever, the power of unity in language. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that resonates deeply in various contexts, especially in social movements and community spirit: solidarity forever. This phrase is not just a collection of words but a powerful expression of unity, support, and collective strength. Let's unpack its meaning, origins, and how it's used today to inspire and mobilize. Before we dive into the phrase itself, let's understand what solidarity means. Solidarity is a term that signifies unity or agreement of feeling or action, especially among individuals with a common interest, mutual support within a group. It's about standing together and supporting each other, often in the context of social or political causes. The phrase, "Solidarity Forever," was popularized by a song of the same name, written in 1915 by Ralph Chaplin, who was a prominent figure in the labor movement in the United States. The song became an anthem for the labor movement and is still sung at union events and protests. It emphasizes the importance of collective action and mutual support among workers to achieve common goals. In today's context, solidarity forever goes beyond labor movements. It's invoked in various campaigns for social justice, environmental causes, and human rights, among others. It serves as a reminder that unity and collective action are powerful forces for change. When people come together in solidarity, they can tackle big challenges and support each other in meaningful ways. As an English language learner, understanding and using phrases like solidarity forever can enhance your comprehension of cultural and historical contexts. It's a phrase that conveys respect, support, and a commitment to collective well-being. You might encounter it in literature, speeches, or discussions about social movements and community organizing. We hope this exploration of solidarity forever has been enlightening. This phrase is a beautiful example of how language can encapsulate powerful ideas and inspire action. Whether in the context of labor rights, social justice, or community support, it reminds us of the strength we have when we stand together. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, in the journey of learning and growth, we're in solidarity forever. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep learning. See you in our next video.